Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of Drawing Eyes. This is Gary Kim. There are so many types of eyes based on ethnicity, age, or gender. Individual eyes show you who they are. If you have a clear understanding of the basic structure of eyes, you'll be able to draw any eyes. In this episode, I'll show you step by step how to draw eyes realistically, capturing real emotions, not emotionless blank eyes. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Ghosting overall shape. I start by sketching the bridge of the nose, eyebrow, and bottom of the eyelid. I create a faint outlines of the eye, including the eye socket. During this stage, I use lines to define the outer shapes and simultaneously applying medium shading for the shadows. This initial sketch will serve as a guide for accurately portraying the eye. I focus on capturing the overall shape of the eye for broader lines and shading. I use the side of my charcoal stick with an overhand grip. Step 2. Clean up shapes. I check the angles and perspective of the eye and clean up the shapes in preparation for shading. To sharpen the edges and add details, I use the tip of my charcoal pencil with the pencil grip. Step 3. Apply 4 ranges of values. Starting with the darkest values, I add 4 levels of shading from the darkest to the lightest values. By adding these levels of shading, the eye will start to appear like a real eye. the eyelash and eyebrow, and then I'll go through the whole drawing and check if anything needs more details. If I am satisfied with the drawing, I'll get it done. Well, I hope this episode has helped you learn how to draw a realistic eyes. If you have any questions about figure drawing, feel free to leave a message. I'll see you in the next video with another valuable episode. Thanks for joining me again.